Today in this video, we will learn about how to search a client by his email ID in WHMCS. For that, log into WHMCS and search the client's email ID on the top right hand corner. Once you click on Enter button, the name of the client will be visible. Alternate method would be to go to View Search Clients under Clients section and then enter the email ID here. Now click on Search button. In this way, you will reach to the client's page where you can see a client's information, product, services and other details of the same client for which you have entered the email ID.